Domestic electrical circuits. Electric power is generated far away from the places it is consumed. At the generating station, the electric power is generated at 11,000 volts with an alternating voltage frequency of 50 Hz. The power is transmitted to the places of consumption at high voltage to reduce the loss of energy during transmission. The electric power line enters our house through 3 wires, namely the live wire, red wire, the neutral wire, black wire, and the earth wire, green plastic insulation. The live wire has a high potential of 220 volts and the neutral wire has zero potential. Thus, the potential difference between the live wire and the neutral wire is 220 minus 0, which equals 220 volts. There are different circuits used for different appliances being used in the house. The earth wire is connected to a metal plate deep into the earth to avoid receiving any severe shock in case of any leakage of current while using the appliances. A fuse is an important of all circuits. It ensures that there is no damage that occurs to any appliances in case of current overloading. Overloading occurs when the live wire and the neutral wire come in contact with each other or there is a rise in the supply voltage. In this case, the fuse prevents the circuit and the appliance from damage by stopping the flow of electric current.